Okay. Hi, what's up everybody? We're here today in Newcastle, Pennsylvania. We're here with the gang. This is a former Monroe Muffler. I think I'm saying it right. This is my third take, so I'm going to have more bloopers soon. Yeah, here comes Kara. So yeah, here we go. We're gonna go and take a look around. This place has been abandoned, I think fairly recently. So let's go take a look. I was filming my chin again. I gotta get better with holding this phone.
Service counter.
Oh, look at that tile.
Don't fix your car.
That's old school tile.
Oh yeah.
Ooh, look at the blue and the yellow.
Blues and yellows.
I know. Some odd colors
Hey,
together.
look, there's even some hand sanitizer there for you.
Yeah.
Clean your hands off while exploring. You just can't quite reach it.
I see it in the corner, yeah. Sorry about that, guys. There was two people that came around the corner and kind of startled us. They weren't a part of our group, so I paused the camera for a minute. So watch your step. Look at all this.
Yeah, all this funness right here. Hey, that's good.
Yeah, this is a place where they repaired cars and mufflers. Monroe Muffler. Am I saying it right? I almost said Monroeville.
Monroeville?
Sheesh. What the heck happened here? It's like City View Center, a big dip.
Oh, this all collapses, huh?
Yeah. It's like CVC.
It's been too bright inside. They covered up all the windows.
Oh yeah, they did. Wow. Yikes.
Yeah, all the ones back here too. Oh, it's too bright here. We see too much.
Whoa, look at this. It's like City View Center right here, guys. I mean, I know it's like that because it's a sewer, but it looks like it's really sinking in there. Bunch of weeds growing everywhere. They covered up all the windows. I bet it's really super dark in there. You can't see in there. The window's textured. Maybe this one. Oh, there's the other side where we just were. So we just filmed the old post office over here that's abandoned. And we decided to come over here. Look at all these weeds growing.
I'm the American dream. Come on, Tony, boy. We're going to do our city.
Like a backup generator?
Locked up doors. So, guess I'm gonna just end this video. Oh, they're all looking over here. Some kind of generator. Alright everybody, just want to say I appreciate everybody watching, all the likes, comments, and everybody that's subscribed to our channels. Please check out.
I got a big stick.
I got distracted, sorry. Please check out everybody here, Richard Drumden Wolf, Kara Wolf's channel, Christopher Stanton, and Terry. There I am, filming my chin again. There, that's better. Thanks guys. Thanks for watching. Peace out. Bye-bye.